What's going on everyone? Francois here from Sony, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to pair your WF-XB700 truly wireless headphones to your Android or iPhone device. So stick with me and let's go check it out. First, grab your pair of XB700s, remove them from their charging case and place them in the appropriate left and right ear. The big benefit of the XB700s is that when you remove them from the charging case, it will automatically go into Bluetooth pairing mode. Now I like that. Then grab your iPhone or Android device and we're going to go into the Bluetooth settings. Now that you have your iPhone or Android device in hand, you want to navigate to its settings menu. Within the settings menu, you'll find Bluetooth and you want to make sure that is turned on. When this is on, you want to go add new devices, click on that, and this is going to show you all the devices that's surrounding you. You want to find the WF-XB700s, click on that, and then you're going to get a prompt in your left ear saying that your headphones are now connected. Easy as that. I hope this video helped you connect to your WF-XB700 truly wireless headphones. If you want to learn more about this product or other Sony products, make sure you check out Sony.com. As always, my name's Francois and I'll see you in the next video.